Well, earlier in the program, we heard from Common Ground volunteer Emma Vogt on selling calves and what this means for producers.
Yeah, right now, Emma is back with a recipe for monster cookie bars. Here's that story.
Well, I think all of us are cookie fans, and we have a bar actually that kind of brings all of that together. Joining me now with more on this is Emma Vogt with Common Ground. And Emma, what do you have for us?
I have a monster cookie bar, which has been very yummy, but time saving to not have to roll out all those individual cookies. So it's pretty simple to go together and in the oven for 25 minutes. So I'm gonna add 3 eggs into the bowl, a half cup of melted butter, and then 1 cup packed brown sugar, and then a cup of regular sugar, a half cup of peanut butter.
Wow, I love how you do that. The peanut butter, you had that all measured out.
Real easy. And then just a teaspoon of vanilla. And so then you're going to mix that all together and just kind of get it all incorporated up. I have learned that if you have peanut butter and it's giving you a hard time to mix or kind of sat, you can pop it in the microwave for just a little bit and warm it up, and it mixes so easy.
That is a good tip. I like that
Yeah.
idea.
So once you just kind of get that all mixed up, I'm going to add 4.5 cups of oatmeal. I did quick oats, and then just 2 teaspoons of baking soda. And we'll just mix it so all that oatmeal is incorporated. And now you can add your favorite part with some chocolate chips and mini M&Ms. And the recipe says a half cup, but you can always add whatever your heart desires. Depending if my kids help or not, kind of plays a factor into how many go in. And then I've got a grease 9x13 pan, and then it will take just a little bit to get it kind of packed. So it covers the whole pan. And once you have it kind of all patted down, you can put it into the oven at 350 for 25 minutes. Once the sides are golden brown, you've got a great little bar.
Boy, that looks really good. Thank you for the recipe, and we appreciate you joining us today.
Thank you, John.